Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 mobile phone. To start, you'll need the right tools for the repair, which you can find in the description. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Gently heat around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Alternatively, you can use a heat mat or hair dryer. Once the heating is complete, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and the rear cover. Next, insert a plastic carb pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then take out the camera lens frame by undoing 4 screws. Next, take out the mid frame by undoing 12 screws from the top and bottom sections. Next, using a plastic carb pry tool, gently create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to separate the plastic clips. While you are removing the mid frame, be cautious. The fingerprint flex is attached to the mid frame. Disconnect the flex cable to release the mid frame from the body, and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, on the logic board, disconnect and pull out the wide, ultra-wide, macro and depth cameras, and then the front camera from the logic board. Next, replace the not working camera with a new unit, and then secure it on the logic board. Ensure all connections are properly secured. Next, connect the fingerprint plug, and then secure the battery connector. And then secure the mid frame by adding 12 screws. Next, secure the camera lens frame by adding 4 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, apply B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, use bonding clips to tighten the back cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.